Okay, next I need to quickly show you how to graph some of our special functions. So for absolute value, in Desmos, you just do y equals ABS, and you can see it change the font from italics to not italics, and that means absolute value. So just put in an X, and so there's your absolute value graph there. Not too bad. We also have inequalities. So remember, we were graphing y is less than 3x. What does that look like? There you go. Again, change the color. I can still restrict domain on these if I want x to be between two numbers. I can certainly still do that here, and I can do that for range so that it's just graphing a specific area there. So, and I could cut off my y values if I wanted to as well. Okay, so that's an equality. And the last one was piecewise function. So graphing piecewise on Desmos is a little bit unique. Usually we would say f of x equals or y equals, and then we would say maybe 3x plus 1 if x is greater than 0. And then we'd have a second part to it that would maybe say negative x minus 2 if x is less than 0. Desmos kind of does it backwards because first, we'll put the curly brackets, first we'll say what our domain is. So I'm going to say when x is less or greater than 0, and then you use a colon, we'll graph x plus 3. Okay, and then for the second piece, you put a comma, and then we'll say when x is less than 0, we will graph, so colon, let's do negative x plus 3. So that kind of looks like absolute value. So maybe I want to say when x is less than negative 3. Okay, so you can see I have two pieces there. And that's how you do piecewise functions in Desmos. A little bit backwards from how we normally see it.